Hey guys, today we are going to show you how you can get a race data from RS Monitor. I will show you how can you convert RS Monitor data so you can use them in Circuit Tools. Circuit Tools is free software used for analysis of race data. So, let's get into it. Go to VBox Motorsport website. Go to Circuit Tools and download the software. You can use new or older version, it's up to you. Both of them should work. I already pre-downloaded them, sometimes it takes ages to download. And this is a software for converting our RS Monitor data. The link will be in the description. To run it, you will need to install Python, which you can download from python.org for free. To get this converting tool, press code button, and then download zip. To get the data from RS Monitor, insert USB stick to your infotainment system. Go to Monitor. And find this menu. My USB stick wasn't detected. The second one is 8 GB, formatted to NTFS file system. You will turn the recording by pressing this button. Before removing the USB, press the button again. Open the PowerShell. Go to the folder with the downloaded script. Create Python environment with To run the environment, run. I got some Windows authorization error. I will leave some useful links in the description. So I will set execution policy to bypass. This is my only for work laptop, so I don't have any security concerns. But you should research about it before blindly following this tutorial. So now I can activate the virtual environment. We have to install dependency, which is pandas. We can do it with command. And we are set. Now run the script as shown on the GitHub page. And now, the file is converted. Go to Circuit Tools and open it. And here we have it. I will also install the newer version and try to open it. And it looks like it's working. That's all, thank you for watching.